Hi, I'm Sam Solomon, Artistic Director of the Juilliard Summer Percussion Seminar, and I'm here with some of my friends who also happen to be JSPS 2020 participants to tell you a little about this summer's seminar. Normally the seminar meets at Juilliard in New York City. Next summer, like last summer, we will hold the seminar online. So I know what you're thinking, a 2-week percussion seminar all online, is that really worth it?
When it was announced that it was going to be online, I was really upset and really worried that I wouldn't be able to get so much out of it.
But instead, it was a life-changing experience.
And better than I could have ever expected.
A lot of fun.
Just turned out to be the most exciting thing I did all summer.
And this is not a scaled down version of the seminar. No, this is the whole thing. There are over 15 master classes and clinics by our acclaimed faculty members, including myself,
Javier Diaz,
Haruka Fuji,
Nick Canizaro,
Joseph Gramley,
Mike Truesdell,
Dan Druckmann,
Gregory Zuber,
Vlad Velez,
Pablo Riepi,
as well as Alexander Technique instruction from Lori Schiff, and a whole ear training course with pianist and composer Joseph Moen.
just an all-star cast.
And we're bringing back the intrepid Sai Hashimoto and Harrison Honor as our seminar assistants. They're really the glue of the whole operation.
Harrison and Sai were super fun.
awesome people to talk to, especially because they actually went through Juilliard.
And anything that you necessarily didn't want to ask the faculty, they were always there and they would give you an honest answer.
So you'll have classes, clinics, concerts, chamber music?
Chamber music.
Chamber music.
Chamber music was an amazing experience. It was also interesting to play pieces specifically created for Zoom performance.
This was absolutely amazing that we got the opportunity to actually play live.
It ended up being a lot more integrated than I thought it was going to be.
Yes, chamber music is important and possible. And this year we're going to have composer Molly Joyce writing a new piece for the seminar, which we will premiere on our live streamed finale chamber concert. So Zoom is super awkward, right? So did you guys actually get to know each other?
We got to have movie nights.
Jam sessions, Scribble.io with everyone.
I made so many great friends.
It just felt like a big family.
It really felt like this is how it's supposed to be. And we're not missing out on things. We are still developing those meaningful and powerful emotional connections with a group of people that I think I'm going to be friends with for the rest of my life.
So I hope you'll join us for the 2021 remote Juilliard Summer Percussion Seminar. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to hearing your audition.